Hi everyone, welcome to Garvin Design Studio. So we have come to the site today. The work is in progress. I will show you a little bit of the details of this particular site. To begin with, this is a living room. We just created a secret door here and nobody would be guess it. It will look like a TV unit, but it is not. If you go inside it, there are two rooms here. So we just created this space so that it doesn't look small. Come, I'll show you the room. This is one of the bedroom. Here we have given the study space, just added the arch form shelves here to create a aesthetic look, and then this is a storage, and here the table is there, the wardrobes this side and that side both are there, and wardrobes we have given a very classic combination that we will show you in the final reveal. Coming to the ceiling, added a circle kind of a thing, and again we will show you once we reveal the final project how the ceiling will come out. Come, I'll show you the second bedroom. In this space we have added a wardrobe along with a TV unit panel and different style of arch ceiling. That also we will show you in our final reveal. Come, I'll show you the best part, the kitchen of this project. So kitchen, we wanted to keep it open, at the same time the space constraint was also there, so we have structured in a way that we have given here this arch kind of a thing, but it's a different classy style of art. It's not like normal one. And inside the kitchen also, generally kitchen comes in U shape, L shape, parallel shape, but this time we have structured it in a different way. So this time what we have done here, we have given the platform along with the storage, stuff-in boxes, and good amount of storage, however the client's requirement was. Then this side wall units we have covered, and sink we have added in the other side so that the dining space can come here, and this way the space can also be utilized. So if you are also having a kitchen which is very small and you want to utilize it in a bigger way, it should look bigger, then you can also choose this kind of style. Then coming to this space, since the arch was looking plain, we have added this panel, and here they can put any decor just to classify the space. And in the entrance, once the living room enters, we again given this kind of arch shape shelves in an opposite combination so that it looks classy and everything can just match to each other and go together. Coming to the final bedroom reveal, this one is the biggest master bedroom of this project, and here we have added everything from TV unit to bigger wardrobes till the ceiling height and the other storage and some decor elements, everything we have added. This side just a TV unit is there along with good amount of storage, and we have added this in L shape so that it looks sleek, classy. And wardrobes, again the main texture combination what we have added, that we will show you in the final reveal. But this project is all about functionality, style and space management, and this is what we have done, we have been doing at Garvin Design Studio. And this side the puja unit is there. You can have a look to the door. It is completely different and it just goes with the vibe. It's a serene space of the house, so it has to be a symbol of purity and peace. That is why we have created this one. This is just a glimpse because it's in work in progress, but once we will just hand over the project, we'll show you the final result. It will be very nice and classy for sure, and you would love it. So stay tuned. This space is all about creating functional spaces, space optimization and creating designs that nobody can forget. Just at Garvin Design Studio.